This is the SGXL, a spreader featuring a 14-foot boom that provides maximum coverage and visibility. Its 120-gallon capacity makes it the choice for large properties, meaning you can cover more area with fewer stops. Keep your spray pressure the same while turning nozzles on and off with the pressure control system. The 2.5-gallon foam marker lets you know where you've already sprayed, increasing your accuracy and preventing double coverage. The SGXL also comes with a 100-foot hose reel, which easily allows you to spot treat and access areas that no machine can reach. Hills aren't a problem for the SGXL. The Hillside Stability Assist system lets you lock and unlock the front casters for added balance on uneven terrain. For granular applications, consider the SGXL ALL-Granular, which can hold up to 850 pounds of product. The hopper can spread up to 25 feet wide and features a pattern adjust system to keep your application on target. Whichever SGXL you choose, liquid or granular, your Steel Green has your back, and so do we. Accomplish more. Experience Steel Green.